So this is a portable bandsaw, and a lot of people use these things for knife making and cutting out steel of any kind, and they set them up on stands. So it's like this with a plate. I don't have one of those stands yet. We are going to make one. First thing we're going to do is take out these screws and see how long these screws are, what kind of plate this is. Okay, they're really short. We run a little piece of steel. We could put that through our plate. So we're going to replace this plate with something big enough to be a bandsaw table. I don't know how we're going to do that yet though. I could use the bandsaw to cut the plate to get it in there, but then I have to take the entire plate off if I want to replace blades. But if it's only held on with these two little bitty screws, I guess that'd be okay. I have a piece of aluminum. I don't have steel. It'll work. Just going to cut it off so we have a nice little plate. That's better. Hey. Might actually work here. Wouldn't that be a miracle of modern times? Oh, that's why. Here we go. Now we're going to put this up. How are we going to attach it to a stand? That's a good question. Got this 2x3. I think I'm going to rip it in half and make like a cube that I can just bolt into. That'll hold it up. I mean it. Wow, that's a lot of dust. Isn't that pretty? Got something going on here. It barely moves. You'll probably be fine without any support underneath it, which is really cool. Yeah, it just had to be some kind of thing that would sit here, and then you could twist it, and it would keep it down. Spot, so right there. 2 3/8. I stuck it in there. And it's exactly 2 3/8 high. Wow, that's like way too small. It's kind of dangerous, actually. You put it on, and it doesn't like sit though. It's just here. I mean, I guess it can just hang there when you're not using it. Sketch a knife blade because I make knives, you know. So we're gonna do a nice clip point. that was a really good closing montage, but I painted this thing and now it's going to be way better. So, the little emblem on the front is my symbol, CRI, and the saying on the side, money in everything, has been something I've been saying. I don't know where it came from. It's not a quote. I just made it up, and I thought it was really funny to say. Like when someone says, and so-and-so said, then I'll just butt it and say, money in everything. And it's kind of my thing now. I think on a portable bandsaw that's put on a stand to be used for a metal bandsaw, that's a pretty appropriate thing to put on the side. That doesn't really make any sense. That doesn't really make any sense. But anyway, I thought it'd be funny, so I put it there. Now it matches, and it's very important for your tools all to match with their stands, you know. It's very important. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.